All right. Welcome. Welcome to the Game Engine stream number 71 or something like that. Today is January 17th, so it's still January 17th. I did stream earlier today, but yeah, I just felt like doing a little bit more. I felt like I could probably get a lot more done right now. How do I say? And the material that I'm currently working on right now is kind of repetitive and probably a little bit boring to watch, so I figured I would stream it, but yeah, it's going to be an offline stream, so yep, this is an offline stream. Welcome. I don't really have any updates right now. I'm just going to continue off from where I left off last time, and hopefully I can get some stuff done. Let's see. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start. I'm not going to open the progress board or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and get started coding. And you might see I have a change. It was literally nothing. So yeah, literally nothing. I tried to edit something and then I went back on it, so. All right, let's get into this. So script compiler service. See where I left off. Oh. All right, so I figure I can get these tasks I'm about to do done right now, even though my brain's a little bit bad because it's very, very repetitive. I'm not really dealing with any bugs. I don't really need to think too hard. I'm just going through the language definition and essentially doing two things. So first thing is I'm going to change everywhere where I use like a typical like namespace, I'm going to change it to saying that namespace plus service, right? The second thing is once that's done, I have everything kind of transferred over like that. The second phase, I'm going to come back and then basically everything that uses a string will get transitioned over to using the new like system with the assets, right? So kind of two-part, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get into it. So yeah, I might be a bit quieter this stream. I'm just gonna try to get it done and have it on stream, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill today or tonight. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out the language definition. I think the first thing I should do is go to the namespaces, and we're going to make a very big change right off the bat. We're going to say UI service, game state service, input service, audio service. This is just math. Network service. Scripts can just be scripts, those are fine. AI service, physics service, particle service. Yeah, and then the rest of these essentially are just going to be the normal assets, right? So everything that's just kind of like something you interact with is going to have service tagged on the end of it. All right, so first thing to do is just look for UI, right? And then, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and change it to UI service. Now I gotta be careful about how I do this. I'm gonna do it one by one. And I'll launch it. And then what's the, is there no hotkey for it? So it's Alt-R, okay, so to replace it. So skip, Alt-R. Namespace, Alt-R, namespace, Alt-R, skip that, namespace, skip. There's gonna be a lot of UIs everywhere, isn't there? Okay, well, I guess that's what I get for just typing the letters U and I. And that's it. maybe I can look for UI. Okay. Oh yeah, I was in the middle of doing this. Hey, good thing I caught that. That's not supposed to be there. Alright, so UI service is good. Next thing is to change. You know, I mean, maybe this will go by pretty fast. You know, you never know. Let's go to the namespaces. Namespace. Okay, namespaces are literally everywhere. This is kind of annoying. Go to definition. I forgot what the title was for it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go here and I'm just gonna take a screenshot. So I forgot how to initiate that, so I'm gonna do snip. All right, take a little screenshot here. Basically, I just want to see this bit. All right, so I got it on my other screen. All right, everything, making sure my audio is still working, everything. It looks fine. All right, next one's game state. All right, so let's find game state. All right, and then we will transfer it over to game state service. All right, so that's Alt R. So we'll do Alt R, Alt R. Is that really it? No way. Really? I suppose so, huh? Because yeah, we only ever really needed to get that type of field from it, which, I mean, now looking at it is kind of silly, that API, but yeah. All right, cool. So scene service. All right, so scene. I believe I've already done this. Yeah, that one's already done. So that's nice. So we'll do input now and change it to input service. Okay. Remember Alt R is how I replace. All right. So replace. Okay, that's it. Nice. All right, next thing is audio service. So audio service. And, oh, wait, no. Place audio service with audio service. Genius. Audio service. Okay, so next in this one, so Alt R. Yeah, it's not the most complex API there. All right, audio service. Next one is network service. So let's look for network. Change with network service. Okay, Alt R and forward. Okay. Okay, nice. Looking good. Our next one is AI service. So we're going to do AI. And we're going to do AI service. AI service. All right, Alt R and here. All right, so go here. Really? Ain't no way. Come on. There has to be more, right? Like, I could have swore I had more functions for the AI. Like, I could have swore I had more functions for AI. AI state, huh? AI state. Oh, I had an AI state and then I had like a change global state. I had it as like a nested function. Okay. Yeah. Because it's an entity function for a potential AI state. Yeah, okay. Okay, sure, yeah. I guess that's fine. So I gotta figure out how I want that API to look, but sure, whatever. Alright, so physics, and we'll change it to physics service. Alright, Alt R and next, so Alt R. Is that, there's no way that was it. Was that really it? Yeah, I guess all the other ones are just member functions of the entity, right? So I suppose that makes sense. Okay, sure. All right, last one's particle service. So particles. Yep. And now we're gonna do particle service. All right. Alt R, and yeah, there's just one. Now I know there's just one. Okay, and now the second part of that is just going to be going through all the scripts and replacing everything with service. So, I feel like this would be the time where I'm like, let me add a find feature, and let me also add a how do you say? Let me also add a find and replace feature to the editor. But yeah, I'm not doing that right now. That would be cool, but I feel like that's more of a thing I do when I am refactoring or when I'm making the proper script window. I'm like, hey, let me add that real quick. So I'll do that then. But yeah, okay. So yeah, audio service is gonna be fun, changing everything. Particle service, and then input maps, right? Which still don't really know why this is white. Yeah, but I'm not gonna dwell on that too much, just because I kind of have it. I'm going to change. How do I say? How I colorize the stuff in general, anyways. So it's fine. Whatever. It's just a little like color thing. It doesn't actually affect how it works. All right, so let's go through every single script and change basically everything. I should just copy service and start placing it everywhere. State service. What else? Okay, so that's it. Yeah, it's gonna be a minute. Yeah, changing these into their new emitter type is really gonna be fun. But at least it's mostly just gonna be a front. Oh wait, no, actually it's gonna be a back end thing too. Damn it. But yeah, just gonna be very, very repetitive. Okay, I'm trying to bring this mic a little bit further away from the keyboard. I know I'm going to be doing that a lot. Alright, here we go. And let me just point the mic towards me. Okay. So I believe I got to level 3. I did, yeah. Let's check this last one. Let's just put a service here, and we're good. Alright. Nice. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. Let's see. Okay. I'm like, did the launcher just give up? That's not good. Okay, no, it's alright. Yeah, the one good thing is error checker will yell at me about all these things. Okay, on receive signal. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, I kind of want to get this done now so that the next thing I worry about is strictly just going to be working on the UI, and I can kind of ponder how I'm going to do that. Make sure I got all that. Wait, did I get all that? Hold on. Okay. Well, I suppose the error checker will tell me if I miss something. I just opened this, but just wanted to make sure. Yeah, maybe I can introduce like namespaces or like include files. That'd be kind of cool. Where instead of having to resolve this namespace every single time, you could just like include the namespace into your like local thing and then just go from there, I guess. Because yeah, I like this stuff being very specific, but it'd be nice to like be able to reduce how much you have to like type and whatnot. Multi-line thing would be really nice here. It was... oh, this one. Update online count. Okay. Yep. Yeah, this is easy in comparison, and maybe you can see the reason. Maybe you can see the reason why I choose a small game to work on rather than a big game. Because doing this on a big game would be a nightmare without having some nice tools for like fixing it. So now I know, like, if I want to make a bigger game, that maybe I want to write some tools to make this process a bit easier. But since the game's fairly small, like, this isn't too much of a problem, and I can still kind of note that I do need to deal with these issues at some point. Or at least it's like brought to my awareness, I suppose. Okay, I think we're good, yeah? Alright, so the last thing is we're going to go into entities, AI player, and oh, will this be fun? Oh, we're actually only using scripts here. Nice. Deflect the ball. Really? Huh. Okay, that's cool. Oh yeah, we're using existing stuff. That's cool. Nice. Yeah, because you have this AI state. Yeah, because this is just for modifying components. So. Okay. Change current state. It's a string. And then this is how we label the AI state, which is silly. We're going to be changing that in a moment. Oh yeah, and I get to undo some of this weird ass code that I have in here for this. That's good. All right. Okay. All right, looks good. Forgot if this was the one I just did. Yeah, it's not the big of a deal, because again, the compiler was telling me when I try to compile, it's like, hey, you forgot something. So, yeah, not that big of a deal. Not that big of a deal. Yeah, and I think before I finish Pong, I will have a decent look at just the usability of this code in general. Just one final pass before I move on to the next game, just to make sure that the next game's process is as easy as possible. Something's wrong in here. Okay, ball online collision. Okay, I'm assuming that was this one, but let's just make sure. Here, there we go. I'm sure there's a bunch of issues that need to be dealt with here. Oops, and physics service. Yep. Got a bunch of information from this. It was interesting that I got this thing set up. Huh. Random, huh? Oh, okay, yeah, I'll clean that up later, I guess. Single player collision end. Single player collision end. Single player collision starts. Okay. And this whole like game service thing some way. Or game states. Yeah, I think I'm gonna treat the game states more as like assets rather than like this where you only have one. Yeah, I think that's gonna be better. You can just link as many game states as you want globally. Yeah, again, because I remember dealing with Unreal and they had like you have to have only one available at one time. I was like, what the hell is that? I mean, I know they have like different serialization systems you can probably set up with extensions, but just out of the box one, just silly. It's in here somewhere. Okay. Okay, I think that was the last one here. Yep. Alright. Wall. Camera, I think we're good. Left wall. Okay. Okay. Live player one. Yep. Yeah, I really gotta be able to specify enums myself. I will add that very soon. Custom enums are important. Anything here? Nope. Looks good. Yep, looking good. Okay, some network stuff, that's fine. Layer 1, layer 2. Yeah, and most of these are not going to need to be changed over to strings. It's just like a certain select of them need to be changed over. Like that play sound right there, but this like input polling and stuff, we're good. So hopefully the next part isn't too bad, but we'll see. Yeah, that one's gonna be a two-parter. Actually, a three-parter. But yeah, hopefully the parts aren't too long. Okay, so this one, let me just double check this one. Yeah, added this one. Okay. Player down. This one. Input polling. Yeah, could really use enum here. Yeah, and again, we won't be using game state service everywhere for this. It's going to be more specific of an API. Okay. Let's try to recompile and see if it throws some errors. I have a feeling it will. Or I guess not. Okay, I guess I got everything. Oh, you know what's something I've been wanting to change? Yeah, you know what? While I'm in the mood to just be doing random stuff, this is really easy, and this time it should be even easier than it used to be. When you go to input map, and okay, I think for runtime single player, runtime. Okay, so we'll do normal runtime. Okay, maybe I should rename this at some point, but this is left control, so it's gonna be left shift instead. There we go. And then right control stays with that one. So that's fine. And then we'll go ahead and save that. And close this. Open another one. Runtime single player. And then we're going to change this from left control to left shift. Let's see what else. So pre-start, they were good. Main menu, yeah. Online with player 1 and player 2. I think these both have the same input, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they both left control, so we're doing left shift now. This is online player 2. And then online player 1. I guess the lobby and the pre-start, win state and then lose state. I think we're good here. Okay, and then now let's go change the UI really quick. So runtime. So pre-game warning. Let's go ahead and display this really quickly. Okay, and let's do left shift. So shift. Okay. Save. Okay. All right. Base window. Yeah, the scores. Online lobby. Player slot 1. Okay, let's check this. Oh, no, we're good. And then pre-game level warning. I guess there are controls. Let me go ahead and open that. Okay, yeah. So let's go to this one. And then let's edit this. Okay. Yeah, and it resizes properly this time. Hopefully it sticks. I remember before I used to have bugs with this, but I think I addressed those bugs. Hopefully. Win window and lose window have nothing to do with that. Online lobby. Pre-game warning. Okay, let's just play this one really quick. Just making sure. Okay, wait. Is there a cat? Oh, no, she's right there. I guess it's just the music sounded like a cat. It's only been 30 minutes of it streaming. Oh. That was really fast. Holy crap. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it makes sense to make fast progress. Because it's very repetitive and not that complicated stuff. Alright, let's save this and go ahead and try it out. Okay, there we go. Left shift now. Okay, and now if you want to play on the right side, it's control and up and down. So there we go. Oh, another thing. For some reason, we have this like on create thing going on. I don't know which one has the on create, but it needs to go. Yeah, this bottom wall has a particle emitter for some reason. I don't know why it has a particle emitter. Also, yeah, this on create needs to go. I don't know where I'm calling that from. Honestly, it's kind of freaking me out. Floor emitter? Probably add some debug things for figuring that out. Okay, it's called once, right? So I'm assuming if it's called once, it's on someone's initialization. Not the camera. The left wall? No, if it was on collision, then it'd be having a bunch of times. On update, middle state. No, it doesn't make any sense on here. Who's calling that? Or wait. Oh no, it's gone. Okay, so I guess I remembered it earlier when I deleted the test script, I guess. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so that was just something I wanted to fix really quick. Just, yeah, on the left side, just be able to press shift. Right. It's just natural for your hand, right? And on the right side, you can press control, because it's kind of natural for your hand as well. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. All right. Okay, that's just some debug lines that got set up. Okay, so let's I'm gonna do something really quick. Okay, let me do the engine commit first, because that's what I usually do. But yeah, I just made some changes in here. Basically, add the service suffix to all global namespaces in Corona. Scripting language. Okay. So just commit that. And then let's go ahead and over here we'll go ahead and add a quick Pong commit to accompany this. Git status. Git clone. Git add dot git commit -m. Ensure all namespace function calls have the service suffix added to work with new engine changes. Git push origin main. All right. Nice. And of course, the engine commits I do later because they have automatic testing involved, and I don't want my computer getting hella slow right now. Okay, 40 minutes. That's good. I think the next thing now is to kind of pull off that final band-aid and start getting rid of all these strings everywhere. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. How do I say? I'm trying to think where I should start. Oh yeah, it's just in the language, so script. Okay, so basically the idea is I'm just going to look through here and look for string. And then I'm just going to kind of identify if it needs to be turned into something else. And actually, let me look at one example, the add emitter. So this is what we have. This is what we need to change it to. But it needs to be appropriate for the type that you're working with, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and look for string. All right, set field, field name, field value, and it sets it to the current game state. So yeah, this doesn't apply. Load scene. Oh, here we got something. So yeah, we want this, but we want scene. Okay, scene service get entity. This one's valid. Is scene active? We provide string name. But nope. We're doing this. Scene. Return type bool. That's good. Good. Oh, scene. Ref. Let's put scene. Load input map. Okay, so we're gonna put this here, and I believe it's input map. Okay, get rid of this. Okay, keep going. Yep, play sound. This is definitely the candidate for this. And then we're going to do audio buffer. I believe that's what it is. Sound. I'll say audio buffer just to be clear. Yeah. Audio buffer. Audio buffer. Okay. String component name. Component name. Has components. Yeah. This one I'm actually cool with it being a string for now. New state location. This changes this global state. Okay, so this one needs to change. This one needs to change. And we are doing new member parameter and all types not pushback. And it's going to be a what is this? What is AI states? Right. Wait, let me find AI states. Or wait, actually, I think I have the little snippet thing from earlier. So let's go to this header file really quick. And then we're going to go to the create language definition. And yeah, let's take a snippet of this. Okay. Now let's go back. And we're looking for string still. Alright, component name still valid. It is called AI state, so I think we're good here, but we want to get rid of the string. Change global state, okay. So this is the new type that is required. You need to have an actual AI state. And then on here, we don't need any of this anymore. This was like generating the stuff and whatnot. Generate expression, current node, expression. Yeah, I actually don't think we need to override too much here. New function member. Okay, I need to be careful with this code though, because this could get messy very easily. Current node expression, huh? Oh yeah, because we need the current argument for it, right? What am I pasting here? I'm not even pasting anything. Okay, so I mean, there's only really one argument for this, right? Yeah, just generate expression, right? If I'm not mistaken, this should be fine. Yeah. All right. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and erase it for now. Yeah. Because I believe this first argument should just evaluate to the correct value, right? So change global state right? We just need one parameter. And the entity really is that first parameter, and then this is the second parameter that actually gets provided to the function. Yeah, we're just gonna provide a UUID and then change up the whole function. It's gonna be nice. Yeah, and then here as well, it just gets a lot simpler. So, I mean, really, it's just this, right? I mean, if I'm not mistaken, simple as that. Oh, that reduces the complexity by so much. Holy crap, what that does. And then, of course, this is a string, so now we need a AI state. New AI state. Let's go ahead and copy this. We'll just paste this directly. Because yeah, we're just changing the current state. It's the exact same thing, to be honest. Oh wait, we need to push this, not that. That's what I meant. And that would have been an interesting bug. Okay, there we go. And then here is global state. Returns a boolean, that's entirely cool. Wait, what does this need? This function checks whether the global state of this entity is indicated to the indicated AI state. The global state of this entity is identical to the indicated AI state. Oh, okay. So yeah. Query AI state. And then of course here we're just going to change this over to this, which is nice and simple. Way better. In my opinion. Okay, this one is the query something. Of course, this is a string. We don't want strings. Strings are not the best. New AI states. Okay. New AI state, and then we'll paste this one in. Okay, so we just take in an AI state. And another one. It just keeps going, I guess. Man, how many of these functions did I make? Jeez. New AI state. Yeah, let's go ahead and just change over to this. Because again, this is just needs to be way simpler. And it just keeps going. It never stops. Never stops. Okay, well, at least this one doesn't take over a parameter like that. Yeah, I think we're good on that end. Clear global state. Okay, yeah, there we go. These are nice and simple. Clear previous state. Easy peasy. Rigid body. Okay, cool. So tag makes sense. String makes sense. Log makes sense. Set widget text makes sense. Load UI does not make sense. I think it's, what is it? User underscore interface. Cool. And then I'll say new user interface. Just type the whole thing to be clear, I suppose. Yeah, we just, oh, this just modifies the name and that's it. And then the rest of the arguments get passed directly, so that's entirely fine. Display window. Like, what do you mean there's no more strings? Display window, so this is window name and then just set display. Okay, that's fine. UI service. Okay, yeah, these are fine. Window name is, yeah, that's fine. These all act on the current state, so they're not really specific to any like UI asset. This one though. This one can be changed up. Oh wait, no. Hold on, my bad. No, this doesn't reference. This references a global game state, so we're good. Don't love the API anyways, but still. Get entity. For now, this is a string. I will change this to be more like a hash system, but it's fine. Okay. Get tag makes sense. String log. Just make sure everything here makes sense to be a string. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. So, the next thing is we need to head over to the script service and then get all these functions to take in the appropriate values, and I might need to write them down so I can follow them through. So this may be kind of error prone. I could really see myself kind of missing something here, so let me try and go through it pretty slow. Okay, so raycast is previous state, is current state. Okay, so these are all already uint 64Ts, so that's nice. Yeah, I already kind of did that optimization prior, so hey, get on me. All right, revert AI state. Yep. Okay, so we're good. Generate random float. So just floats. Integer, yeah, tag component that stays the same. Set project. A lot of uints, so I think we're good there. Get linear velocity. I think that just takes any uints, so that's pretty efficient. Transfer uints. Yep. Okay, scene active. Okay, so bool uint 64. Okay, scenes is scene active. So this is going to be a uint 64. uint 64 underscore t. Okay. Do I not have any bool uint 64Ts? Oh, is that really not a thing? Damn it. Gotta start adding things, I guess. I'll leave this here just because I might end up using it. But yeah, let's go ahead and copy this. I don't want to delete any code that I might miss later. Like, why did I delete that? uint 64. Wait, did I? Okay, good. I didn't. I was about to say. uint 64. Okay, so then we go here. It's u. Oh, shit. Scared me, when you want to go up? All right. Let's see. bool uint64. Bool uint64. Yep, it's not a thing. Okay, sure. I guess so. Am I gonna have to make a bunch of new types? No, I'm kind of annoyed. Okay, let's get to the first one. Basically just switching this to 64. Alright. Let's get through this. Okay. Bool uint64, and this is a 64-bit number. Okay, one parameter is the yeah, so this one gets moved over to here. Okay. Okay, I think I already added this, the bool uint64. Yep. Okay, bool uint64. Okay, so go to definition. Is scene active? Okay, let me find some usages of this. Is this used by anything other than the one referencing thing? Because if it is, I will stand corrected, but I believe that's the only place I use it. Yep, it only exists for that. So let's go ahead and change this into a UUID. Then go to definition before it updates. UUID. Scene ID. Scene ID. Using, wait, what? Did not load using current scene handle. I'm just going to return if the scene ID is equal to this. And also just assert. Yeah, I mean, we don't need to do that. You just, I mean, then the cert gets dropped. So we just check if the scene handles match. Also, maybe KG assert. That this active scene handle is not equal to assets empty handle. I don't know. Yeah, it's that simple. Isn't that nice? There we go. Okay. That's one solved. Now several more to go. Find entity handled by name. check has components. Wait, what is this? Oh, active has component. Okay. Runtime is widget selected. No, we're good. Set widget selectable. We're good. Background text. Yep, bunch of UI stuff. Probably should do some underlines for these. Gets random. Good here. Set display window. Scene from name. Transition scene from name. Handle. Of these unconfirmed ones, what is this? Oh, you know what? Yeah. Hey, actually, you know what? Good catch. Those are all good catches. So there was a transition scene. I'm assuming I changed it. And then we're gonna change this to a uint64. uint64. Or if it refuses to, I don't know. uint64. But I know this is a thing. This has to be a thing. Oh, yeah, I was about to say this. It better be a thing. Okay, transition scene from, like, bruh. Alright. uint64_t. That's a bit faster. Yeah, no, that'll be here soon. But one thing at a time. Where's the other one? Okay. Let's get rid of this one for a second. Where is the uint64? There it is. Join the fast gang. Okay. Okay, now I think the last issue is just this doesn't take in a strict name anymore, so I'll go to definition. And then also I guess it's fine. Scene ID. Assets. Asset handle. Scene ID. So get scene. I mean, this just gets seen by name, but it just can provide the ID instead. And this just gets the scene reference, which, I mean, is just a ref to a scene's scene. Okay, and we still just check to make sure it's valid. This is equal to scene ID. Scene ID, and that's it. It's the exact same thing. This just seems like a repeat code, but whatever. That should be fine. Okay, there we go. Cool. Alright, next one. This one has the same fate, I guess. Handle. Handle. That's active UI from name. Okay. I'm kidding. Just do rename from handle. Okay. Okay. Let's go to script compiler service really quick. From name. Okay, let's head back. My name. From name. I knew there was a by name. Like something I would do. Okay, but this one's actually fine. This one's not though. Handle. Name. Look, it looks like there's not too many of these left. That's good. Okay, so let's load user interface from name. Handle. Load user interface from handle. Okay, time to join this side. And honestly, let's just move all these over here. Sound from name, stereo from name, and then input map. Yeah, all these can go over here. Handle. Go to definition. Okay. Go to definition. All right. Assets handle. UI handle. Okay. UI handle, much faster process. And then here we're just going to do ref to UI, runtime UI, user interface. and UI reference. If not, then we do all this. Okay, and then we just do the normal stuff. Alright, that's good. Looks like it's working. And yeah, I think we're good here. Let's do name. Let's just check for anything with name in it left. Handle. And then here and here and here. Okay. Handle. Okay. And all of these are going to turn into this. So that one, and that one. All right. From name. Handle. We'll change this to uint64_t. Name. Handle. uint64_t. From handle. uint64_t. Name. Handle. Handle. From handle. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna loop through all these really quick. What a name. Look right. Okay. By. From. Does it matter? I mean, honestly, not really, but. Eh. By name. From handle. Assets. Asset handle. Asset handle. Again, the same idiom I always do. This is handle thing, and then we just get a ref to a inputs map, and this is a input reference, and then is equal to input map handle. Input map handle. Oh, we just set those, and then later they're set on the main thread. Okay. Sure. Stretching my back really quick. Okay, there we go. Alright, go to definition. Oh, nope, it's not a thing. From name. From name. Handle. Ref to an audio buffer. If audio buffer else. Yeah, we don't have a warn for this. Could not find an audio buffer with the provided handle. And I believe I have an overload to turn it into a string, so it should be fine. All right. Okay. So there we go. That should be good. All right. Any more errors? I don't know. Let's look for from name, by name, just the entity handle. That one's fine. Let's do find you void string. Okay, I don't see any issues here. There's just a bunch of these things. Those are fine. And usually it yells at me at the bottom if I really forget something. So I think we actually should be good in that case. Okay, let's just try to compile. Let's see if we get any errors. And yep, got a lot of errors. Let's see. Assets is not a class. Are we including audio instead of here? Maybe not. Okay, well, if not, then let's just include Cargano or UUID. I might want to include asset handle, but I gotta be careful because it might actually not. It might cause a server dependency depending on how I set up the asset system. I don't think so. Well, actually, I can just go check, to be honest. Asset. Let's go check this one. Okay, well, it looks like it's fine. Yeah, I suppose it's fine. Alright. Okay, we don't need to switch to that. We can keep it as a handle. It's more descriptive. And then we'll do hash include. I don't know why I deleted everything. Argano assets. asset.h, the basic header file. Let's try that again. Let's hope it compiles, I don't know. Oh, let me check script service too. Or script compiler service. Let's check for from name by name. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, and then later on, I might be able to specify like specific groups for certain assets. Yeah, I'll see. That might be a nice feature. I can see that getting kind of error prone though. Alright, I'm hoping the scripts still link and everything. Because I did actually remove some of the linking functions. So we might not be able to retrieve some of them when we try to call them. It's not like we're compiling anything right now though, we're just like finding the DLL and just bringing it in. But yeah, I might not be able to find some of the functions. Let's see. Okay, we'll still open. What is this? Bool uint 64. Okay, yeah, that was the only one that got removed. Okay. Yeah, here we go. So audio.kg audio. Go ahead and remove that for now. And let's head over to the first part. I think this is fine. Okay. Kinda scared. Yeah, these are still fine. Okay, here's where we're gonna have a million errors. Runtime UI. Okay, so instead of this, we're gonna have user interfaces. Runtime UI. Okay, nice. Scenes. Wait, which one was it? See, I'm already forgetting. Scenes level 1. Scenes level 1. Okay. Pre-start. Okay, so it's going to be input map pre-starts. Okay, looking so good so far. Audio buffers, menu confirm. Audio buffers, menu confirm. Okay, green A. Okay, looking good so far. And then all this stuff here will get changed. Oh, that's so much nicer though. It's so much nicer. I like that, and it's more efficient. So if I take this now, and I bring it, let's just check it real quick. This, I think it was at open level 1 or something. But if we go here and then replace this, and then go ahead and compile this. Yeah, you can see like in the C++, we just have a bunch of numbers now, which is really nice. This is still strings, of course, but yeah, this is way faster. And of course, like a few examples of it is not gonna go crazy, but if you keep adding it up over like a bigger game, I mean, it can definitely add up, you know. Okay, that was open level 1, so open level 2, KGUI. Okay, so user interfaces. Wait, what was it? I think I messed up. Okay. Runtime UI. Runtime UI. Okay. Scenes level 2. Input pre-start. Bro, what is going on? Pre-start, huh? Okay, just simple pre-start. Pre-start, so inputs maps. Restart. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of an annoying bug. Menu confirm. Audio buffers. Menu confirm. Green A. Green A. Alright, the rest of these are just setting game state fields, so we're good there. It's probably the most we do this in general, to be honest. So runtime UI. So use runtime UI. Level 3. Okay. Okay. Pre-start. Okay, and then menu confirm. Renee audio. Green A. Okay. Alright, that's good. Dang, a lot of these. Runtime UI. Okay, online multiplayer. So scenes, online multiplayer. There we go. So online lobby inputs. So online lobby inputs. Online lobby inputs. Okay. Audio confirm. Menu confirm. Menu confirm. Menu confirm. Menu confirm. Menu confirm. All right. Green A. Green A, green A, green A, green A. And yeah, we're good. Looking good so far. Lose sound, lose sound, lose sound. Just repeating it so I remember. Pre-starts, pre-starts, pre-starts. Yeah, let me just do this one. So I think this one's next. Yeah, Okay, so online pre-start. Online pre-start. Menu confirm. Menu confirm. Okay, online start session. Yes, on start session. On start session. Okay, here we go. This is online player 1 runtime. Online player 1. There we go. Online player 2 runtime. Okay, there we go. That was the one I just got in, yep. Looking good, looking good. Okay, main menu. Okay, it was main menu, right? Let me just make sure. Yeah, it was main menu. So scenes. I can't type scene. Okay. Yep, we're good. On connection terminated. Get tons of these. Yeah, it's a lot. Okay. Ooh, main menu, huh? Okay, gotta be careful with that. So okay, it looks like it concatenates it, so that's nice. Oh yeah, I think I have that as like an automatic thing for all my assets, so that's good. As long as it knows how to reference it. Actually, I might test this really quick just to make sure it works. Okay, scene, main menu. Okay, input map. Was it main menu? Blue A. Okay, let me compile this and make sure this works before I continue. Main menu, huh? Yeah, looks fine. Alright, it knows which ID to get. That's good. Okay, open main menu. So scenes, main menu. So that's one. Nice. So it's menu select. So audio menu select. Then here, we're good. Yeah, we're good. Okay, let's exit. Local multiplayer. Let's check out this one. A few more, because of course. All right, runtime UI. User. runtime UI. Local multiplayer. Scene. Okay, it's inputs pre-starts. Pre-starts, okay. Menu confirm, so. Okay. This is the one I just changed, right? It is, okay. Okay, first layer stuff done. Good. Let's go change this one really quick. Okay, runtime single player. Runtime single player. So runtime single player, runtime single player. Okay, this one's AI state, so seek ball. So AI. Okay, for some reason it's not working. I don't know why. Change current states. Let's go find out why. AI state, huh? Okay, it uses the primitive type AI state, which did I define somewhere? Let me see. AI state. Maybe inside of a member context it refuses to open? I don't know. I should probably investigate that. Okay, let's see if I can open this. So if I go here, under AI states, seek ball. Okay, well, obviously it's... Yeah, okay, well, that does work. It's just... Yeah, it doesn't autocomplete inside for some reason. Okay, we'll run time. Okay, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, we're good. We are good. We are good. This one I just opened. Okay, here we go. And again, we have to do this weird workaround, but yeah, whatever. No move. That was one we just did, right? this one. Okay. Yep, no move. Okay. Again, no move. Still pretty fast, but now I don't have to put the string, I can just put that. Now these are the complicated ones, so, but it looks like there's not too many strings actually, so pre-start, so inputs pre-start. Multi-collision. Okay. Don't see any. Okay, online pre-starts. Online pre-start inputs. Online pre-starts. Pop sound. Online collision. Yep, I do this thing, AI states, seek location. Okay, this is gonna get annoying, I can already tell. Seek top. Seek bottom. Seek bottom. Okay, seek location. Seek. Seek top. Yeah. Seek bottom. Avoid ball. Okay, so the last one. Please. Seek ball. Seek middle. Seek top. Yep. Seek bottom. Avoid wall. No move. That's the one I just did, right? Yeah. Okay, lose states, so inputs, lose states, input restarts. Select Pong, okay. Seek ball, seek ball. Okay. Let's do inputs, so inputs, input. Okay. Deflect. Pop sound. Good thing there was a, are you sure? I mean, I still have everything in version control, but still it's kind of scary. I don't know. Looks good, looks good. Alright, player 2, right wall. Collide right wall. Okay, okay. It's like we've gotten through all the scripts. So let's recompile and watch the errors come in. Wait, is it actually recompiling? Yeah, I knew it. I knew that was gonna happen. Well, it did recompile, so that's good. Oh yeah, and then it crashed because let's hit the call stack. Get widgets. Oh yeah, yeah. say if actually, hold on. To check if a widget is selected when no runtime UI is provided. Okay. Don't. It's fine. Don't do it. Okay, so it failed to load in the main menu UI, which I kind of assumed it would fail. Fatal linking error. So load binary engine lib. What's wrong? Bruh. We'll let that rebuild. But yeah, it didn't find the correct UI. That's interesting. Yeah, let me see what values it generates, and then maybe we can check from there. Okay. Ooh. All right. I just want this to work, and then I'm gonna call it a day. About 2 hours. But yeah, let's see what's going on. It seems like it's compiling, which is like the weird part. But yeah, I guess I can double check what the UUID for each one is. Oh, you know what's an easy thing to add? Provide the UUID for each asset, right? Inside of the asset viewer. Yeah, I just had an idea. Let me go to the asset viewer really quick because I want to check something while I'm. This is like an easy thing I can add really quick. On asset events, Initialize asset table. Refresh. Yeah, I don't care about these, but I just want asset type. And then we're going to do, I'm assuming we have the asset handle, like why would we not? Yeah. Asset handle. Yeah, just do active asset. There we go. It's easy. So you have the handle, the type, file location, and intermediate location depending on the asset, and then a checksum. Always good. All right, let's see what's wrong. All right, so we're opening the main menu, so let's go to the scenes main menu and then open main menu. Okay, let's take this. Oh, probably because we provided input map instead of user interfaces. Oh, okay, so I knew this was broken. Okay. So that's fine. We're gonna go with this, even though it's not necessarily the right thing. Okay. So what we're gonna do, right, is we're gonna go to wherever and I mean, it's good that happened because that is a potential issue that could happen. Let's go to where is it? Also, why was that just cool with like an input map? That's not good. Yeah, that's a problem. Okay, so yeah, I have two problems to deal with. First one is, let me think. The script compiler service. Let's go to create language def. Okay, when we add these types, right, we have the types, and then for here, stem, remove white space. Do I have a function like that? I do have a function like that. All right, so I guess we have to include it. So it's utility operations, remove white space from string. Oh, it modifies it in place. Okay. Okay, yeah, sure. String file name. And then utility operations. Remove character. Yep. White space. File name. And then file name. Okay, so we'll just do that for all these. It's gonna slow things down just a bit. But whatever. I'll come back and figure this out. Okay, so that should get rid of all the white space. That's good. Oh, we do have operations here. Interesting. All right, let's try that again. So now when we load in the name, it will be without any spacing. So that should be good. And I think generally speaking, I should just make sure there's no white space when I make an asset. So that doesn't happen generally speaking, but yeah. It's always good to have that little failsafe, I guess. Cool. Load everything in. Alright, so let's go to scenes, single player, and then, oh, not single player, main menu. And copy all this. Head back up. Okay, and then let's go ahead and compile this. Okay, we got 760077. So let's go over to the here, and we're gonna go down to main menu user interface. Yep, 760077. Perfect. Alright, so let's go ahead and recompile this and try it again. We'll see what else is broken. Okay, seems alright. Should be, yeah, it's good. Okay, yeah, I mean, try local multiplayer really quick. Okay, I mean, looks good. All right, any errors or anything? Attempting to, fail to, that's just normal stuff. Okay, yeah, I'm happy. So now, with all the different assets, we... Oh, okay, wait, one thing though. Yeah, for some reason we're able to put like different asset IDs in here. I don't know why we're able to do this. I could have swore it's more specific than that. Let's see. Yeah, why is this acceptable? Okay, I think I'm gonna check on my compiler and make sure that that has some error checking with that, because that's not good. Primitive type asset literal. Okay, so I think in the parser there's a function, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, primitive type acceptable token. Okay. Let me try it out really quick. And then, yeah, this will be the last of the scripting for a while. Alright, I guess I can push really quick before I do this, just so I don't have a million things to push at the same time. Oh yeah. Display asset handle for all assets. Asset viewer panel. .cp. Oh yeah. Okay. Change from handle asset from name to get asset from handle for audio input map runtime UI and scene assets. was this? Oh yeah. Remove white space before adding using asset names in script compiler service. And what else? Change script functions from using asset names to using assets ID for script inside script compiler service and script service. Use handles instead of strings for identifying assets. Okay. Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and run this. And basically, I'm just going to go over to the test script and I'm going to get rid of all of these except for this one. Okay. And I'm going to head over here and I'm going to go find that one function, which I guess it doesn't want to find it for me, so I just go look for it. What am I looking for? No, there's a script parser, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, primitive type. So let's see if we get this called, right? Query type is user interface. Emitter config. Primitive type. Query token, and then there's the sure token primitive is valid. Yeah, I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna code this in here. I'm gonna be if query primitive type dot acceptable literal is equal to script token type asset literal. If query primitive type dot name is equal to query token dot value and return true. Otherwise, return false. Okay. So added a little extra check for asset literals. Check for asset. Check. Yep. To ensure that assets values are distinct. Okay. Yeah, because here the prim types just ensure that they're equal, but in my case, yeah. Okay. Let's take a look really quick. Invalid function call. Okay, so what if we do yeah, that's valid. But then if we do input maps runtime, yeah, invalid expression statement. Probably be a little bit more descriptive about that, huh? I don't know why it doesn't tell you that there's an invalid value in the first. I just get invalid function call for some reason. What is that? Invalid function call. This is the only place I have invalid function call. Yeah, I have all this stuff for it, but then it's not showing that for some reason. It's not storing the parse error. Yeah, you know what? Whatever. I'm tired. As long as it doesn't let you do it, I mean, it's kind of the main thing. Okay, so let's make sure everything still works. Oh, you know what?
tiras todo, dinamita. Los sueños se derriten por aquí, es así. Veo la vida como Dalí, yo soy quien soy, yo no pienso huir, aunque tenga que subirme al ring. Aunque busques el significado del amor en Google, tú dime que me quieres pero no lo jures. Yo sigo como Goku, yo sigo en mi nube, regando las plantitas empezando el lunes. Mi vida es una jam, yo no trazo un plan, lo que tenga que venir vendrá. Yo soy de verdad, yo piso la tierra, tú solo pisas pasos de cebra. ¿A qué esperas? Abre una ventana nueva, súbete al tejado, tumba las antenas. Respira bien hondo, puedes ser quien quieras. Escúchate por dentro a ver qué suena.
Wait, where's my message? What?
Es así, en el Honda con el Andy, o en la plaza con la Pandi. En el Honda con el Andy,
Wait, what the hell?
plaza con la Pandi. En el Honda con el Andy, o en la plaza Juan Ríos. En el Honda con el Andy, o en la plaza con la Pandi.
Wait, where's my error message? I have like way more robust error messaging than that. You should have stored it. Arguments done adds parameter iteration not get return type. Wait, get return type. Maybe that's why. Maybe it's in value. Hmm. Oh, and then in this case, the return type is invalid. Okay, yeah. I understand. I mean, okay, sure, whatever, that's fine. All right, let's go ahead and make sure that it compiles and everything, and then I'm gonna call it a day. But yeah, that's good. Now I have gotten rid of majority of the strings. If you want to reference assets for the most part, just use the provided types. So if you want to play an audio, you can do like audio buffers or audio service. Play music, okay. Then you can do like audio buffers. Do blue A. There you go. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. I'll go ahead and just commit. And switch out file locations of assets with provided asset URLs from the engine. The engine. Okay. Git push origin main. Alright. And let's do spinal push. Ensure parser enforces that asset literals are distinct. Alright, so yeah, I think I'm done for today. I'll go ahead and call it. And yeah, I think I'm done with scripting in general, so I suppose I can head over and get rid of that, which is really nice. Except deleted my progress board for some reason. Well, I'm tired. Or maybe I just never opened it. That's a possibility too. But yeah, asset references now are available inside of the scripting system, so that's nice. So yeah, officially we are going back to text rendering now. There's nothing else in the way. So I'll be thinking about how to do this, and then we'll get into that when we either on Monday or yeah. I mean that it should be on Monday. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. Next stream should be on Monday, unless I decide to stream offline, but I guess we'll see. And yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for today. This is an offline stream, so if you're watching this on YouTube, thanks for coming by and watching the video, seeing what I got going on. And yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for today. Yeah, thank you. And hope you have a good day or night whenever you're watching. And later.